If you love movie explosions but hate the facts, listen up. Reality. Space is a vacuum. No air, no sound. Want proof? Movies sell boom, reality sells silence. Space is a vacuum, so sound waves have nothing to travel through. Imagine yelling into a helmet. Saga's yelling outside, only the helmet picks it up. Astronauts use radios, electromagnetic waves, not sound. Want to actually hear space? Cliffhanger. Scientists convert plasma waves into audio. It sounds eerie. Tip. Search NASA audio. Voyager plasma sounds. Like, comment, share, subscribe. For more, Omniverse Network welcomes you.